What's up everyone, Anthony here from Anthony Scooter. Where today I'm gonna be playing some hide and seek. It's late in the night, it's like 12:23 a.m. I'm gonna do a quick little game, then I'm gonna upload this. And I already gave you guys the link for the IP address, the port, and the Martha says hi. Kitty shows 4270 says hi. Ooh, what's this? Anyways, I'm gonna play some hide and seek. It's gonna be a little boring because I'm like staying up late doing who knows what. And I just fell off the cliff. Okay, and today we're gonna be bookshelf, cause why not? Bookshelves come in handy if that's what I need. Whoa. Okay, bookshelves. Here we go. Wow, it's like a dream house. Where do I hide? Where do I hide? Where do I hide? It looks good. Please let me hide here. Please let me hide here. What are you doing? Get away. What? What? How did I die? A sneaky little punk. Guys, I'm gonna sneeze. Sorry, guys. So yeah, that sneaky little punk. How dare he? I got him. I'm gonna sneeze again. Aw. That was in a block. Like, I sound so quiet. You guys are like usually like not seeing me so quiet. Usually I'm not this quiet, cause I'm not sure. But in any case, there's like 6 hiders left. We're doing good. That means you need to find some people. I need to find some people to kill, cause I just got killed instantly. Is there any melons? Oh, come on. No. Oh my god, really? None of these lemons are alive. Ah, what about this hay bale? These packs of hay. What just happened? Anyways, keep going. We need to find these people and fast. Here's a good place to hide for a melon. I should have picked a melon. Next time, I'll pick it. 3 hiders left. 3 hiders left. We can do this. That means no mistakes. Let's do this. That wasn't just a normal block. A bed, nothing to see here. Actually, this makes a really good bed. Nice job. Let me in. Let me out. Oh, a good game of hide and seek should do the trick. Look at all these bugs. I could have just hide in here. Hello? Hmm. 8. Oh my god. Did someone just hit me? Wait, hello. And goodbye. Hmm. Where else can we find these niggas? Bruh. Hiya. 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 None of these. Oh my god. Didn't I check here already? Yes. 2. We need one. We need 2 more. Something might be hiding inside. Check inside. We must win. Hmm. Seekers won. The Seekers have won. Yay! And guys, that wraps up the show. If you guys want to see some more hide and seek videos, please leave a comment down below. And leave a like to this video. And I'm sorry you can't hear me because I'm a little bit sleepy, but thanks for watching and stay frosty. And goodbye.